The car in question today needs no introduction. It has its intro in its name. Yes, the Škoda Superb. We have the 2020 Škoda Superb with us for our test drive and review. Join us and stay right there to know all about the latest palace on wheels. The Superb has been the flag bearer for Škoda in India right since its entry here. There has been a drastic decline in sales for sedans over the last few years with the SUV segment on the boom. But the Superb has managed to hold on to its ground all through this. The Superb has got more sophisticated in this, its third generation midlife facelift of the B8 model that's built on Volkswagen's MQB platform that is also used by many car models in the group. This car always has been an attention grabber due to its sheer size and styling. And now, with this latest version, its design has gone more sharper. The Superb has got subtle updates to its front and rear styling that makes it look of current times. It gets clean-cut lines, smooth shaped surfaces and sharp edges dominating its exteriors. Let's get to the changes made to the front end. The radiator grille now gets an extra bit of presence thanks to the more pronounced chrome band running around and the double slats on the trademark butterfly face. The front bumper gets more prominent frame design and a larger air dam with a smaller, slimmer LED fog lamps in each corner. The new sharp angular design headlights get all white LED glow along with the crystalline detailing that make them look very classy. The side profile remains more or less the same except for the redesigned alloy wheels. The rear end, like the front, gets totally redone. Here the Superb gets a neat looking chrome strip that runs horizontally across the length of the boot lid, bisecting the all LED new design angular style tail lamps. The redesigned tailgate also gets Škoda badging in bold chrome on the middle of the boot area that shouts out its premium brand that it actually is. Overall, the facelifted Superb looks very catchy and the changes are very tastefully done. Now this is the LNK trim of the Superb, which is the top of the line model for this luxury limo. The dual tone dashboard is retained from the outgoing model and comes with loads of soft touch materials, metal inserts, forward inserts, giving loads of premium feel good factor inside here. The highlight of the updated dash is the 8-inch color touchscreen AVN system that is joy to use. Needless to say, this unit comes loaded with all the connectivity features including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Speaking of the seating comfort, the rear seat is the best place to start off with because this is where most of the company directors and the builders would be spending their time. You get a very largely comfortable rear seat with loads of space, abundant leg room, knee room, shoulder room and head room. As you can notice, the seating here is extra comfortable and is as good as any premium couch. This is the perfect place for you to spend time between your office meetings and conferences. The rear seat also gets a foldable armrest with cup holders. You also get the Boss control buttons using which the front passenger seat can be electrically adjusted by the rear passenger to extend his legroom substantially. Now let's check out the front seats because many of you would want to drive the Superb to your farmhouses maybe on weekends. The front seats are 12-way electrically adjustable and also get electric lumbar adjust. Both these seats also come with heating and cooling feature. The instrument cluster is a twin pod dial in typical bold and crisp Škoda detailing. The Superb comes with an 11-speaker 1 subwoofer Canton sound system which plays some highly impressive premium sound. The Superb comes with a 3-zone climate control system with individual temperature setting for the rear passenger. The Superb also comes with preset drive mode, which include the Eco, the Normal, Sport and Individual. The party trick on the Superb interiors is the 10 color ambient lighting. The Superb comes with dual front airbags, side airbags at front and rear, curtain airbags at front and rear. It also gets ABS, EBD as standard and many more such safety features. Felt missing on the Superb are the USB charge port for the rear, wireless charger, 360-degree camera and the difficulty to open the center armrest at the rear. The Superb has a mammoth boot capacity of 625 liters, that is even larger than some SUVs. It also gets a 12-volt charging socket and a nifty removable flashlight. The biggest update on the 2020 Skoda Superb is the all-new engine. The Superb now gets powered with a 2-liter TSI engine, which replaces the 1.8 TSI engine. The new 2-liter TSI engine makes 190 bhp of power and 320 Nm of torque. This is around 10 bhp more than the older engine and 70 Nm more torque. This engine comes mated to a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The ride and quality is best in class. The ride and quality is super premium. The car irons out all the potholes, bad roads, everything that it's put to. The drive feel is also very positive, though it is not breakneck speed or pickup. The acceleration, the refinement is very good. The Superb being a large car, it does not feel a pain to drive in traffic and city conditions. In fact, the steering feels very light, and the car feels perfectly balanced to drive around in tight conditions that we are doing right now. One more thing, your chauffeur would be a happy person to drive around in the Superb. He gets paddle shifters, he gets this lovely infotainment system, he gets heated seats, cool seats, everything. He gets a cooled glove box. He would be a very happy person to work for you.
So with the BS6 update, Skoda has taken the Superb lineage way ahead. The car feels much more trendier in today's time, much more sportier. The car drives very well. It comes with features that a board director, a company builder, a company owner would need. The rear seat comfort is unmatched in this segment and many segments higher. The Skoda Superb 2020 BS6 is here and it is one of the best cars in its segment.